The word we'll be learning in this section is 眺める, which you will often hear when people discuss enjoying a beautiful view, observing art, or simply watching the world around them. The word 眺める means to look at or to gaze. It refers to the act of looking over something, often with delight or interest, such as a scenic view, an artwork, or anything captivating. It can also imply observing things in a thoughtful or contemplative manner. The first kanji means to look or to gaze and carries the sense of watching something deliberately. In Chobo, it adds the idea of a sight or panorama, so the whole word becomes a wide view or outlook. In Incho, it keeps the sense of looking while combining with distant, so it means gazing at something far away. Think of this kanji as the act of focusing your eyes on a scene. I gaze at the scenery on the mountain. 山で景色を眺める。山で景色を眺める。He is looking at the painting. 彼は絵を眺めています。彼は絵を眺めています。He looks at the sky. 彼は空を眺める。彼は空を眺める。I watched the people at the park. 公園で人々を眺めました。公園で人々を眺めました。The most common synonym of the word 眺める is 見る. While 眺める emphasizes a more thoughtful or lingering observation, 見る is generally a neutral term for looking or seeing. This nuance makes 眺める more suitable when expressing appreciation or contemplation. The most common antonym of the word 眺める is 見逃す, which means to overlook or miss seeing something. While 眺める implies attentively looking at something, 見逃す suggests failing to notice or intentionally ignoring it.